God bless you. Predestined Seed. We are cuevadelprofeta.com. This is the bread of life today. Philippians 1:6. Being confident of this very thing, that he which hath begun a good work in you will perform it until the day of Jesus Christ. Listen now, the voice of God's prophet for this day.
God sits on the throne of your heart in His control room, controlling your emotions and controlling your powers, controlling your conceptions, and making you one with Him. Amen. In fellowship and in love. And God fills you with love. He fills you with power. He fills you with the Spirit. He fills you with His own divine nature. And He changes your carnal nature into His nature. Then in this, you become a new creation in Christ. In Christ.
Shalom. If this video was a blessing for your life, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God keep you, dear brother and sister.
Quiero amarte, Señor, y sentir la paz excelsa de tu amor.